Hello, this is Babcia, host of Legacy Luxury. I did add Snow Tech, or you can buy Elaine's Glitter Snow, and then I added extra glamour dust. I'll show you a video up close. And I do want to mention, once that Snow Tech or Glitter Snow dries, it does get crumbly, especially if you're handling an ornament in the next few years. Coat it, okay? Spray coat it with some crystal clear enamel, or if you can brush triple thick on this, brush it. But I prefer to spray a couple light misted sprays, which once again adds another day to this ornament. And that's why I've decided not to make these 3 prototype ornaments my ornaments for the Christmas tree. They will just be hanging around, decorating the living room in December or after Thanksgiving. I did mention in the last video I was going to use discs. However, these are too small for me. I want something 12 centimeter or 150 millimeter. Basically a 6, 7, or 8 inch bulb. I can't find them right now. And this one is a 5 inch. It's too small for me and what I have in my mind. And I'll give you a little hint. I picked up some Wizard of Oz playing cards, and I would like to create the ornaments as a deck of cards on the tree. There's 52 cards. I've already used a couple, because that is a card in there. But that's the way I really want it to look. Bring in a modern look, and then add the coldness and the snow with poppies. But I need a bigger surface to work with. So I ordered something on Amazon yesterday on the 25th. And when they come in, I'm going to make one prototype and see if it works. And if it does, I will come back and then videotape the second ornament. And I think it's going to be an excellent idea and something that you have not seen anywhere on YouTube and on any other channel. Because it's not even going to be a plastic bulb. It's something else. Okay? So subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, say hello. Go hang out with me on Facebook. Find me on TikTok as well. And then sometimes I upload this to Pinterest. But I am not on Instagram or Twitter. I am not a social media hog. I just do this just to show you ideas. I don't do this to make myself rich, which I have not. This actually cost a lot of money to gather all these supplies. I don't get paid. And then, but I just want to teach you that art is freedom. And while I'm waiting for Miss Legacy to grow up and take over the channel, this is the way I'm going to handle the channels with arts and crafts. So I'm going to wait for my Amazon order to come in the mail. I get to wear my rings now again because I won't be using clay in the next couple days. And so we'll see you then. And I'll leave you with a close-up video of the Peep Show ornament. And that's what I titled this design, the Peep Show ornament. Take care. We're off to see the wizard.